Hello. We're out here. I'm out here. I'm still out here. How are you? How you been? I've been doing great. I survived the winter. I survived another winter out here. And if you don't know me, I'm Lady Outside, who started a business outside years ago. And I was doing, a little bit of oil selling at my job because people were asking me. That's the only reason. I was getting it for myself, just everywhere, all over, wherever you can get the best scent. Because I learned something that I didn't know between perfume and oil fragrances. If you want to know the difference between perfume and oil fragrances, click the link below. I created a little booklet. You can download it, and just to get your mind clear and your mind straight on what oil fragrances and perfume and cologne and what is the difference? What's the difference? So you can learn that by clicking the link below. But I'm out here just kind of chilling, relaxing, just thinking. I've been out here a long time, and I haven't been on YouTube in a little while either, but I've been out here. It's kind of hard, like, separating the two a little bit for me, just a little bit, because people text me and call me for oil fragrances. Do you have this? Do you have that? And lately, and even today, somebody texted me. Actually, they're from my hometown, New Jersey, and I was like, wow. I'm not saying any names, but he texted me and he wanted to know about licensing, and he was thinking about starting a business. And a lot of people are thinking about starting a business too. They do it when it's nice, especially the outside mindset. And that's fine. But you could be in Florida, you could be in California, you could be in Hawaii, you could be in North Carolina where it's nice, San Diego, San Bernardino, California. There's all kind of places that's warm all year round. And starting a business outside would be ideal for you. But I started mine in the East Coast. So it doesn't matter. You could do it when you want. Now they have different things as far as licensings and things like that. But it kind of made me think when he was asking a question. I created how to start a business outside. That's what it's called, how to start a business outside. Different classes from all the questions that I've been getting. And it's on my website, ReneeMcDaniel.com. That link's at the bottom too. So if you want to really know what the difference between oil fragrances and cologne and perfumes, and what's really the difference, because they all smell wonderful. Little short story. I went into the store the other day, and there was a lady in there, and she had perfume on, and I was in there, and I was wearing my Nac Champa, and I was wearing it, honey. I don't know if you know anything about Nac Champa, but it's a spicy, woodsy. It's elegant. It smells different on everybody, as all oils do, but it's imported, and it has that rich, this authentic, this smell, and it smells good on me, and I had it on. And I don't know what she had on. She smelled like she had like a red door or something like that, because it really jumped. And she said, and we were both in the store shopping, and she came up and she said, we make a great combination together, don't we? And I said, yes, we do. And we did. We had that store humming. And people that were walking in there, they were like, oh my God, oh my goodness, that smells so good. So between my Nac Champa, and then I did put on a little bit of original Egyptian musk, because it is boss, it is master. I had put that on first. Then I put my Nac Champa on. But she had whatever she had on, but it was perfume, and that's fine. But it smelled wonderful on her. It smelled like a red door. It smelled like a red door. So that's what it smelled like to me, because it was very lingerie, very heavy, but it was nice. It was clean, but it was good. And our smells together colliding in there, it was great. So that's why I say perfumes are great too. It locks in the fragrance of the oil. If you like the alcohol, if you want that, closure, because some people ask me to do that. They're like, could you make sprays? And I do. I make sprays. If you want sprays, request them from me. But everything's been going on out here. But I am everywhere. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for everyone. Like the gentleman that sent me the question. So you can go to my website, look around there, and if you have any questions, you can info at ReneeMcDaniel.com. Info me your question. Info at ReneeMcDaniel.com. And if I can answer it, I will. And if it's a class, I'll refer you to that. And then we can kind of go there. You got to increase your sales, increase your income, and reach out. When people reach out to me, they buy my products, the sample packs, things like that. I mean, that's what I'm here for. That gives me so much joy. And but out here, it's like it's like hand-to-hand combat out here. People are at me more often than it is for me to click the live button and come on the video. But I appreciate your orders, your comments. If you like my channel, you want to increase sales to your existing business, you're looking for a product, or you want to start a new business like people do, or you have a business already and you're not making any sales. I started my business outside, and you don't have to start your business outside, but I started mine outside successfully, and I had one drive, and it's really one word, and that's just belief. I believe I could do it, and I did. But I had backing. I had a mentor. He took me under his wing, and if I could fly, I'd be up in the air. That's how much he took me under his wing and flew me. But yes, oil fragrances, you can get in touch with me this way. You can text me. I hope you can see that. You could text me, or info@renemcdaniel.com. Well, we could stay connected. Well, my birthday is Sunday. Easter Sunday is coming up. And April 21st is my birthday. And can anybody guess how old I am? I've been doing this oil thing for a long time, but can anybody guess how old I'm going to be Sunday? And whoever guesses how old I'm going to be Sunday, I will give them a free sample. Like, I do my 4 sample packs on my ladyoutside.com on there, and that's what people get a lot, because you don't know my fragrances, so you try to order the sample so you can see what I have. But if you guess my age, I will give you a free sample of my oils, and I'll include like a musk, or you could just put in a comment what would you would like, and if I have it, I'll give it to you, or I'll match the fragrance, because I'm good at that. So this is just for fun, if you want to. How old am I? My birthday is Sunday. How old will I be? But anyway, it's a new year. It's going to be my birthday, and it's just a new year that I'm blessed to be on the planet, outside, in the universe. And I'm always going to speak about the universe, because I started outside. So it's been my comforting. Even in the snow and the rain, it covers me. I know that I'm alive, the birds and trees, and it's sentimental to me. So I have not been on YouTube, but I'm going to start being on YouTube. I had a guest. There's just so many things. ReneeMcDaniel.com. You can go there. You can leave a comment. I'm going to put posts there and videos, and we can stay connected. Definitely. Okay, so I'm out here right now, and like I said, leave a comment. My birthday's coming up. I'm happy about that. I'm out here moving gradually inside on my website too, ReneeMcDaniel.com. That's where you're sure to find all information and knowledge to increase your sales and increase your business for you. Have a great day, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the orders, for the sample pack. I truly appreciate you. I hope you know that.